Hi everybody, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. I just want to kick this video off by wishing all of my followers and subscribers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you to everybody that's come over to the new channel from the old channel. You are most welcome, of course, and feel free, of course, if you want to share the videos on your own social media platforms so more people can enjoy the Robin Hood Dashcam YouTube channel. This is episode 9 in the Cutting Room Floor series, so if you're new here, essentially this series are all the clips that wouldn't make it into a normal video, the random events I may have seen out and about, silly things, minor driving fails, observations and car spots. If you're not new here, you know what to expect. Welcome back. The last time we published one of these was around about Easter from memory, so it's been a little while since I've had a bonus video, so hopefully you'll enjoy. That's all from me for now. I'll quit yapping, on with the video, and as I say, have a happy Christmas, and I'll see you all for some more Robin Hood Dashcam videos in the new year. Take care.
What?
He's tiny. I didn't know no police cars came that small.
Well, there you go. Well, you don't see that very often these days. 2003 Vauxhall Corsas. There you go. A sight very common many years ago. Lights gone again. Oh, they've gone again. Approach with caution and use your common sense.
Saturday spoons breakfast.
That tells me that she's eating just about enough. Alright, takes all sorts.
Oh my god.
Goose attacks.
Oh my god, look at them all. Splish, 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 splish. Oh, she's watching indeed. What's wrong? Oh, you got sneezes. So the one who played the crocodile. Hello and thank you for reading this. I'm really excited to be in another show with Sandra and everyone else who's in it. I play one of the children, which is good because my father recently said I have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old.
And the sad news that Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II has died. Her Majesty was the second longest serving monarch in history and the first in British history to celebrate a platinum jubilee. Our reporter Kat Wright has more. In 1950,
should we try it anyway, see what they say? Interesting place to go for a jog.
Oh, if visiting Clumber Park only, normal admission will apply on our welcome.
That is an interesting colour combination.
What? Oh, yellow and blue.
Oh.
Lotto from the National Lottery. Number of Lotto millionaires made is based on figures from June 2022 to June 2023. Rules and procedures apply.
Oh, if you're doing that, I wouldn't have got in this lane. Oh, I wouldn't have gone in this lane if you were turning right. You've got to do that, right?
Red line, I don't know what
then that's going to damage it.
I don't know what happens because when I'm in fifth, if I put my foot down, she takes forever to get up to speed, and then suddenly it's like she's.
Is it a hearse? Yeah. The departments are the ones you want to keep.
FSA, Croydon, what?
Yeah,
Is it a hearse?
yeah. He's not happy there's no bays free. I think that's Jetta drivers about ready though, by the look of it. Don't worry about it, mate. Oh, he's proper he's gutted and annoyed. Oh, these two are back to collect their vehicle, no doubt. Yep. The Mercedes is ready. Big pink boombox in the boot. That's interesting. And you just need that little bit of extra bass. Boombox. Huge. Yep. Council worker turned up. What's he for? Is he for the Mercedes or is he here about a job interview? That guy's clearly the boss with his Bluetooth headset. Boss man there in his polo shirt and everything. Yeah, he's come for something. Been back and here we go. There we go. Right, I'm getting out. I can do the interior. So, after listening to the drama unfold that was not caught on camera, the two ladies with the giant pink subwoofer couldn't pay for their car wash and valet because apparently they'd forgotten their bank card. So, no bank card, no money. But that place doesn't take bank cards anyway. It's a pretty basic business that does cash only. So, no bank card, still not an issue. It's the cash you need. Come prepared to these things. Do you not check before you go out? I don't know. People are people. There's no queer as folk. But the guy let him drive off with a free valet and a free clean. So maybe I should try that and just lie and just say I haven't got the bank card and just try it on, flutter my eyelashes. No queer as folk. Go on then, jump out.
Did she need to get so up that person's bum? What did she think? Somebody was going
know.
to jump in front of her?
She's a f***ing idiot. I have no idea. Right, you'll need your card and PIN number because I can't do it. You need to go out and come and do it with me. Now what's she going to do? F*** off and do her weekly shopping?
She's not got any petrol in?
No, she's just thought I'll park next to a petrol pump and go and do my shopping. There's spaces at the back. Do you know what? Common sense, some people, whatever.
Right, is it pay at pump or?
It is, yeah. It's good.
Been wasted and have been taken off in fraud, that's not bothered with. It is a terrible,
What's
terrible
missing?
state of affairs.
What's
And I
missing? Can you
well
guess?
imagine that it is not just frustrating because you're being chased for.
We need to get understanding that coming to mum and dad's doesn't mean that we're going to leave her every time.
He's on his phone. On a scooter, on a phone.
Creaky noises make my skin creep. I can't get no sleep.
Rainbow. Yay.
Blackness of deep space, with a few stars glittering like the dandruff on the shoulders of God. Then it comes into view overhead, bigger than the biggest, most unpleasantly armed star cruiser in the imagination of a three-wing.
Ooh, look at that big man cow. Oh, look at the rainbow!
Yeah.
Tour nurses, their life was a lot easier with bursaries, with accommodation.
You coming over, mate? I'll let you over.
Sorry to digress, but they said what are the
Yes, whatever side of it Rishi Sunak comes down on, elucidating that, telling the public and trying to get them to come along,
There
is
we
going to
go.
be very,
No.
very, very hard.
Yes. No.
Either
There
from
we
an
go.
economic point of view or from a promise.
Oh well, good job, I'm not in a rush. No. I can't overtake anywhere because I'm not allowed.
No, exactly.
So I'm gonna
Yeah.
wait.
But is this car doesn't seem as if it's going to get 30 miles an hour.
Well, currently we're doing 15. So
You know, I mean, that's wrong because it should really be doing at least 30 miles an hour.
well, it depends how far they're on the lessons, isn't it?
Really not.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, it might be the first lesson, who knows?
Well,
Never been in a car before.
their indicators on, so they're going off.
Yeah. I mean, really, that is bad. Because it actually turned on
In the middle.
no man's land.
They've got the ghetto pack.
What is that? Oh, it's at home
I think
or...
we got everything in the last delivery, didn't we? Well, apart from
I think so, yeah.
apart from bashed up merchandise that we got through the post.
Yeah, but to be fair to them, it wasn't...
And two, that you would think he's not that worried about high migration, and you are worried.
Entering average speed check zone. Bye.